Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions and oppose the demands of revenue, labor and employment and science and technology. Speaker sir, I think I want to be clear, very clear, straight, without mincing any words. With due respect to the Honorable Minister, I believe that all three ministries are not performing. Speaker sir, I believe that the Revenue Department has failed the people of Goa. I'll try to be specific. Because je komdadiche je amgeli land hai, and protect korpak. Basically, you have failed to take any preventive measures. This is a continued process, no doubt about it. But we were assured in this house that action would be taken against illegal constructions and land use. जात मोठे हें वाडत आहा, जें बाब मायकल लोबोन सांगिल्लें ते भाशेन हें वाडत आहा, हें दुयेंस जें आहा स्पीकर सर हें वाडत आहा. This ministry has failed स्पीकर सर. ह्याच हावजान व्हडलो बोवाड जाला. जुवारी एग्रोकेमिकल हें स्कॅम कितल्याचें म्हण 50,000 करोड 50,000 करोड म्हळ्यार कितू झिरो आय स्पीकर सर. हें जें हिंगा ह्याच हावजांत बोवाड जाल्ली आज म्हाका दिसता हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय. What was the reason? Whether this is a scam or not a scam? I think the Honorable Minister, I will come to this later, but you have to clarify. Because आज your department basically is instrumental. जे आमगेले preservation of land records जे आसपाक जाय. It has failed. It is going from bad to worse. लँड ग्रॅबिंग केसीस जे आमी सकाळीं उलयल्ले SITचे 93 जाणांक केस रेजिस्टर जाली. अबाउट 22 केसीस हॅव बीन रिपोर्ट येयला. आतां हे जेन्ना स्पीकर सर सकाळ म्हाका उलोवपाक मेळना, पूण SITचेर जेन्ना ह्यो केस जाल्यो त्या वेळार द पीपल हू आर इन चार्ज ऑफ दीस पर्टिक्युलर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन, they themselves were getting into deals, compromises. हे compromises जावन स्पीकर सर जे ह्यो केस आहे म्हाका तरी दिसना हे आमच्या टर्मा हे सेटल जातले म्हणून. मुखेलमंत्रीन सांगलां he will place the records. We will see. So basically this is a barometer to check how or what is your gauge of the failure of this department, of your revenue department. Speaker sir, disaster management is something that I personally, I think about 8 or 9 times I have raised this issue. Both Collector South and Collector North are ill-equipped. Although you have a Collector South, I think Mr. Ashwin, he is very efficient and he's young, he's dynamic. But the required support from the government is not given. This is something, Speaker sir, disaster management just squad is absolutely a disaster. Ejeru yaun Speaker sir in detail eta. Speaker sir, your government has also failed. Anta Mukhel Mantrin we were told that certain cases, budget speech, ki this cases of Munkariyal Act, Tenancy Act, ye fast dispose जाता है म्हणून, especially on Saturday. But the figure एजेरू येता. Speaker sir, these cases are basically rotting. कुस्ताय सारखे. Speaker sir, at the level of authority of collector, deputy collector for several years now. आणि म्हाका दिसता Speaker sir, what is the status? The Honorable Minister needs to tell us. Will this be possible and what is the total number? आमच्या ह्या टर्मार हे उणे जावपाच्यो वाडत जावपाक कामू हे रोग. स्पीकर सर, म्युटेशनाक म्हाका दिसता ह्या सभागृहांत जो आमचो मुखेलमंत्री आशिल्लो पयलीं मनोहर पर्रीकर, एक जे म्युटेशन जाल्लें, आय थिंक इट वॉज अबाउट हिज सन, सांगेच्या गांवांत 48 आजां जालां. 48 आजां म्युटेशन जालां. सो this shows that it can be done, a mutation can be done super speedant or slow. Poir Puja Sharma म्हणटाय तेगेले जे आसा गांव, हे गांव आमगेले आसतले मुखार, हे आमी चिंतपाक जाय. संडेचे हे म्युटेशन जाला इन 24 hours. This is shocking. म्हाका दिसता ह्या मनशाक हे मनीस जो पडो ऑफिसरा एका we need to summon him and we need to all ask him, what is the secret of your energy, Cameron? What is the secret of this 24 hours मध्ये म्युटेशन जावप? आज कंपॅरिजन जरी तर आमी केलें, बारीक स्पीकर सर गोंयकाराले takes 48 months. आनी हे शर्मा वर्मा धर्मा हिंगेली ही कर्मा आनी कर्मा स्पीकर सर बारीकशें जोरी तर तुवें चोयल्यार 48, the difference from 48 months to 48 hours, and the recent is 24 hours. So what is the reason, Honorable Minister? I believe I will ask you only 4 or 5 things that you have to reply. This is one of it. This particular case, Padhalli Asagaon, how was it possible in 24 hours? Because, sir, Honorable Minister of Revenue, we were told about certain targets to be given by Mamladars and Revenue in disposing such matters. मुझे एक target दिल्ले. What is the current target? We would like to know how many of what happened to this announcement in the budget only. Maybe if you could not answer, the Honorable Chief Minister has to answer. You said that you will dispose it. Speaker sir, we were given an assurance that landlocked property hai. And I think there was a letter sent to Mr. Cruz Silva. I saw it last week. What is the plan of the government? Does it have a plan regarding these landlocked properties? Azharani Gora hai, which basically there's not even motorable access. There's no access with ambulance access. Nothing can be done. Is there a plan of the government? What is the plan? Have you done any survey? Or this is just another election announcement? Speaker sir, in the budget, it's also announced that you want to announce a single window system to issue NOC permission for amplified sound, beach wedding and events. And Mukhyamantrin promise kelle. There is no notification. I think Bab Vijay has also stressed on that. Of 100 or less with religious functions, there has to be, I believe, that your particular portfolio is connected to forest, is connected to environment, is connected to agriculture. And that connections, because you all have to join the dots. Because the joining things aina, and one department pushes on the other department. Speaker sir, ye revenue department ha, main amgele resource of our tiny state. It is the revenue department, TCP department, and forest department or under agriculture and horticulture. This, Speaker sir, will land utilization jata. It will depend on these portfolios, how it is utilized. आता चोयल्यार Speaker sir, एक advertisement, आज आनी एक advertisement भायर सरला Speaker sir, 1,50,50 crore, 50 कोके, 1,00,000. आज चोयल्यार Speaker sir, साधारण ज्या पद्धतीन हे सगळें घडटा, and there is no cap. 50 crores for one villa. Anta konan dalmaka. At Speaker sir, ye goinkara koden, kona koden kapasta dha घेवपाक 50 crore म्हळ्यार एक villa मा हुई पावला. हे तुम चिंतपाक जाय. I believe it is a रेश मागोस. थिंगा पयल म्हाका दिसता जायत complain आहाय about illegal हे जे land थिंगा hill cutting जाला. आनी थिंगा आज दाखोवन दिता 50 crore हे project. Speaker sir, 50 acres of land was given, Magadista, to one Amchi Darbandora, to one India International University. This was given, land in general I'm talking was given, Speaker sir, for an education and legal research korpak. Barikshe Goinkara ko amgele kon Goinkar bawak tuk samaj like develop korpa jay. You're from the education field. Tuka land dupak shekta, Speaker sir. It is so difficult for Sarko Goinkara ke land meopak. Pun baile munshak here they come, they take the land, and Speaker sir, my dusre jata. Classic example is Zuari agrochemical. Kidak Delhi. Why was this land given? To make real estate there, to sell the plots at 15, 20, 25,000. Was this the reason why this land was given, Speaker sir? So Speaker sir, hui na hui, or Sarkar and all these, most of these ministries, their eyes is only on the prime land of Goa, alienation of lands to other departments, alienation of land to all these Delhi che, Gujarat che, Mumbai che. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता की last time you had promised us and you said in your answer 11A that you would sought legal opinion of Jilmen Coelho on that Zuari thing. I think you please place that on the table of the House. I had pointed out to you about one particular thing that is happening in Kunkolim with regards to the industrial area. Behind the industrial area, there is so much of encroachments. Under the LRC Act, you had to book these people. You can put a fine of up to 7 times. They have absolutely no sanad and so much expansions. And that entire area is allowed, lakhs of square meters. I told you 30,000 last time, but the real number is lakhs. Will you ask your collector south to go inspect and check these areas? How can you do industrial zones in agriculture areas? Is this allowed? Is this permitted? Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता मंत्री नेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय. आज जे बारीकशें दक्षिण गोंयचें जे कलेक्टरेट बिल्डिंग आशिल्लें, this had come up during the Congress government. You were also part of that government. But the maintenance today is pathetic. It is failing, absolutely failing. I believe that your annual maintenance contracts, lifts, toilets, Bitor Salya, it's absolutely in a bad shape. Last time you had told us that you would look into it. Till now, what is the thing that you have done? You please tell us, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, your collector south, your budget provision is 5,624 lakhs, which is basically 15% less of your revised estimates of 6620 of 23-24. And that's because sir, I disaster management ache uloila, but with the provision for disaster management and relief of natural calamities for this under this budget head, you have provided only 106 lakhs, म्हणजे 1 crore 100 lakh for this year. Last year, your actual expense was 296 lakhs. With the current disaster, landslide that is happening, are you going to be able, with 1 crore 6 lakhs, how are people's claims are going to be claimed? जे सांगला मुखेलमंत्रीक एग्रीकल्चरलान सगळे पयशे दिता, सगळे सेटलमेंट जातले, हे हांव हिंग सांगताय स्पीकर सर, हे हावस जाल म्हणटकीर दुसरें जाता. And 1 crore हे settlement जाता. I believe let the Chief Minister allocate you several funds. You are quite efficient, but you cannot be silent. I think you were one of the most dynamic guys during the Congress time. And Speaker sir, आज म्हाका खबर ना हे कितें चल्लां तें. हे म्हाका दिसता you need to look at this. People, लोकांगे पयशे जोरी तो तांकां मेळोनाय. 1 crore 6 lakhs, what can you do? How much, how many cases? And you tell me how many cases you've received so far. If you can give me the number as well. How many claims? And that's because हांव लोकांगे नांव घेना, but practically जे practical issue आहाय, I believe you need to have an e-court monitoring system. This is the need of the hour with the way we are moving or digital progress je bod court pass shakta hai. On the lines of the higher judiciary cases of Mamladar, Deputy Collector, Collector's Office, पावट पडलो का मारू पडटाय ते म्हाका दिसता बंद जावपाक जाय. बिकॉज लायव्ह अपडेशन जे ऑर्डर आहे हे लायव्ह अपडेट जावपाक जाय. एफिडेविट्स जे आसपाक जाय तेजेर डेट दिवपाक जाय. हे they have to be linked to a proper through a message SMS-आनल्यान. आतां कितले पुसा स्पीकर सर बाब मायकल लोबो उलयलो मामलादार डेट दिताय इलेक्शन ड्युटी आनी केसो ड्युटी आनी कोण मुखेलमंत्री नापयला मंत्री नापयला आमदारागे काम आहा आनी हे आमगेले बारीक जनता जेन्ना थिंगा केसी वयताय पोस्टपोन जाता. दे आर नॉट अवेर. थोडे लोक आमगेले जे 2,000-3,000 रुपया तांकां मेवता ते घेवन ते बारीकशे जे सिनियर सिटीजन आहाय बासी पयशे लागताय आनी कितें लागताय दे गो दे फॉर द केस आनी दीस इज पोस्टपोन्ड. म्हणजे तारीख पे तारीख हें जाता. हें हूंय ना हूंय whether you can look at it where they get SMSs and they know well in advance that the cases are postponed. आता OBC mo non-creamy layerachi ji certificate meta speaker sir, this format of yours is wrong. You have to give it in the format of the central government. Just check this, Honorable Minister. The same should be on the online portal of the state government. It is the other way around. Just look at this particular certificate. Ada income verification ji certificate data speaker sir, jao for OBC, for economic weaker section, this has to be done at Mamladar level because there are several errors done when it is done. The verification is not on basis of village panchayat and municipality. It has to be done on Mamladar level. You please look into this. Speaker sir, yes, the wealth of this state, एक centralized म्हाका दिसता एक land inventory जावपाक जाय. कोणा खबर ना. A land inventory कित जावपाक जाय because a detail of the land belonging to the government. Ani, you need to have two columns, occupants and encroachers. I believe, will you do a study of the way government land has been encroached upon? Does the government have a record of this? I believe that you need to look at this very, very seriously. Send a team of survey, spend on things like this. Let the state know what is his wealth, who has encroached, who has done what. This is something that is very, very important. Speaker sir, त्याच पद्धतीन जे म्युटेशन जावपाक जाय, you need to know of the land that is owned by central, roads by the state, by the center. All these things, Speaker sir, are practical issues that transparency is lacking in today's government. The new double engine sarkaran je 3 new criminal law aale, I believe that most of your officials, including police officials, they are clueless about these 3 new criminal laws, and they have to be educated through JIPAD. I think this is something that is very, very important, and I believe that you have to initiate this of basically creating awareness. Speaker sir, practical तुकाय जात आसता तें हे दिसान जायती माड पोटाय झाड पोटा सगळें पोटा. आतां प्रॅक्टिकली जरी तर झाड कातरपाक गेल्यार थिंगा जेन्ना कातरपाक गेल्यार फॉरेस्टा परमिशन जाय मुठे, कोण मुठे कलेक्टरा परमिशन जाय. बारीक जे for example to trim and to prune the trees, also there is confusion. There is confusion, then that tree basically falls down on houses. And तेदो म्हळ्यार तें late जाता. Speaker sir, I believe that this government should come with clear guidelines on this particular issue. Whether the government is, whether the department approach करूं जाय, कोणा approach करूं जाय. Only why should we wait for a disaster? कित्याक रावपाक जाय? And Jenna, if there is objections, I believe that the collector should intervene or some deputy collector should intervene and basically try and resolve this issue. Speaker sir, आमचे बाब निलेश काब्रालान एक ॲप काडलो हॉड्डे हाय कामू तें चोवपाक, ते भाशेन एक ॲप करपाक जाय. You just click from there, send the thing in that dangerous position. आत हॉड चड जाले, तो हे हॉड चड जाले तेजे हांव उलयना, but click, do something. These are practical things. The disaster management will know in advance ki baba हे जावपा हा म्हणून. Let the authority go on the site. काल पणजेच्या गांवांत झाड पडलें. Innocent 19-year-old girl, she expired. There are so many cases like this that is happening, and there are practical cases that as MLAs they come to us. But when we say no, when we go there, then the forest officers say no, there permissions hai. So this is a major issue. I believe before the next monsoon season, the Honorable Chief Minister is here, come with clear-cut guidelines in the interest of the state. Come with an app. Come with whatever formality needs to be done. Because je Mon Thilting Modgwa, the rest house, it is in pathetic state. Je Vasco ani Marga under je to gele sogle quarters etai. It is in bad shape. It comes also some are dilapidated conditions. This is something that you all need to take like a policy decision. Whatever has been pointed out in PWD, several quality controls, all these issues need to be addressed very, very urgently. Otherwise, it will be a disaster. Absolutely disaster. Kalcha decides because sir, inga education department and Goa University chemistry lab alo tinga ani ek collapse ale. Kitle collapse ata. Aaj High Courtaचे जे सेशन कोर्टाचे ते रूफ गेले. Why is this happening? आनी हे टुमॉरो देल बी अ मेजर डिजास्टर. आमी सांगलोलें की आमी जे प्रश्न मागलोलें आजूय म्हाका दिसता हे प्रश्न उडयला की आमी सेफ आहाय का म्हणून. आतां हेज गॅरंटी तूं कांय दिवपाक शकना. तेज लागून आमी स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट जावपाक जाय म्हणून हिंगा कसली सुविधा आहा आमी हिंगा बसून सारके सेफ आहाय म्हणून आमी PWD घातलें. ते PWD घातलें ते स्पिकर सर ते ट्रान्सफर मारलें. हें कितें चल्लां स्पिकर सर. आतां RTI घालपा पडली आनी हांवें काल गायल्या आनी हांवें RTI गायल्या पर्पसली हांवें गायल्या RTI चे म्हाका मेळटा. हें कसलो कायदो स्पिकर सर. हें हिंगा कांय जालें ना. तुवें सांगिल्लें स्पिकर सर एग्जाम्पल जे मुगेलें कॅबीन हांव आहलो मातशें भायर गेल्लो हांव USA आहलो मातशें एक 10 दीस हांव पोत येयलो म्हळ्यार म्हाका तें कळ्ळें की तें काम चलत ना. सो तेज लागून हांवें बाबा सांग इट शूड नॉट बी ऑन रिकॉर्ड स्पिकर सर बट आय एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू these are things we wanted to know what is happening here and I am as leader of opposition it's my duty to ask and te magi under what pretext speaker sir tuk diwpa naka te aging ki jalte information diwpa naka speaker sir it's because of our safety speaker sir south goa che je collector building needs urgent painting then collector inga building so it is in bad shape so basically speaker sir the government has failed to give time-bound service sarke to the citizens. People have to wait. Dakli काम पासून internet चलना बारीकशें जे staff आसता customer facilitation counters in the collector is a failure. Absolutely failure. Date पे date. हे जायत हा speaker sir. You have failed. आता disaster management आचे येता. जे आमकां जबाब दिला disaster management आचे की जेन्ना गोंय डिजास्टर जातलो जाल्यार द डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट स्क्वॉड डिपेंड्स ऑन PWD, डिपेंड्स ऑन फायर एंड इमर्जन्सी, डिपेंड्स ऑन हे डिपार्टमेंटाचे ते डिपेंड. आतां स्पिकर सर आनी एक जबाब आमकां दिला की तांकां गरजूय आहा की दे डिपेंड ऑन गोवा शिपयार्ड मेजर जालें जाल्यार गोवा शिपयार्ड मुर्मुगांव पोर्ट ट्रस्ट. आतां दॅट particular area or that vicinity 5 kilometers जे पडे हा मुखेलमंत्री बाब हे एकू आयक मातशें ते 5 किलोमिटरा पडटुगे हा स्पेशली इन मुर्मुगांव तालुका हिंगा यू ऑल डिपेंड ऑन दॅट फॉर द हेवी इक्विपमेंट्स गोवा शिपयार्डाचे MPT थिंग टँक आहे पेट्रोली टँक आहे इंडियन ऑयलीचे थिंग जुवारी केमिकल एग्रो थिंग समज एक डिजास्टर जालें जाल्यार इट विल बी अ मेजर डिजास्टर. You have to look at you have to look at strategic location. So Kabral to sangotte dusre सांगता but एक strategic location you have to plan so that tomorrow things जाले मायन करपा कितें. स्पीकर सर जे आपता मित्र मो हेंक काडले ड्युरिंग अ डिजास्टर हेंक ट्रेनिंगू दिल ना रिप्लाय मेळ म्हाका ड्युरिंग अ डिजास्टर you have no so what training you have given. What are they qualified to do? You can tell us what example they can do. Speaker sir, 19 July 2024, या दिसाक आमका एक there were incidents of 47 drowning deaths at mining pits. This is the reply that is given to us. There are about, as per your reply. Now, Speaker sir, from 2020 till date, in waterfalls, water bodies, mining pits, stone quarries, all this. And the Speaker sir, last 5 years, I believe that this government has done nothing. I'll tell you why. Because after we raising, Speaker sir, if you look, you have to take action basically on whom? Whose is this responsibility? Jenna, when it happens around the mining pits, around stone quarries and whatever. Obrigado kono? Kon obrigado en korpak? Speaker sir, LAQ 181 of 9th February of mine, in the last session, I had asked about the permanent measures taken by the government to avoid accidents, including fatal accidents, accident-prone locations such as lake, ponds, waterfalls, mining quarries. Speaker sir, the reply states to me that with quarries, it is the mining department. Under the mining department, you have constituted a committee. Now, when was this committee formed? This is your reply. You please place it on the table of the House. What did they recommend? If the mining committees had done monitoring, then why is the drowning happening? Why the government has not taken a decision on fencing of these mining quarries, as per your reply? Speaker sir, that is what you are linked to a lot of ministers. I'm not personally thinking, but the problem is that that it is linked to several other ministries. And that's because another reply of mine says that your state management date LAQ 181, dated 9th February only, you say that the state disaster management authority Padeha, it is through WRD has installed early warning dissemination system EWTS. Now, I want to know what is the exact purpose of this and what is happening now. What is the warning that you are getting? What is the purpose of this EWTS? Are they working? It is at, I think, so 13 concrete structures you have built on beaches. So what is the feedback you get from this? Speaker sir, I will tell you that because I've got some input after you reply. Speaker sir, ICRA multi-purpose cyclone shelters in Goa port gaile, are they all in working condition? I believe some places the battery pasun chalna, alarm pasun chalna. No, you reply to me. What is the exact status? Because I will show you something after you tell me. Because Amgele, I believe that you need, there is another thing where you said in 19 July that you have had a meeting with the district disaster management. And intus because the sogle to stakeholder are gelai mo tu sangila. I want the agenda and the minutes of this meeting. What was discussed and what is the plan of action? 19 July LAQ 145. This is what you have replied. Speaker sir, compensation je land losers ak dupak jai. This government has failed. Mundkarel and tenancy exam Michael Loboaha. And the Disla Mashi figure one is as per your reply of 19 July, 5,048 number of pending cases are pending. This number has increased. You say on Saturdays they are called there for extracurricular activities. Speaker sir, number one is 5,000 case and vadota. And the Chief Minister has made a statement that it is an achievement. Is this an achievement, Speaker sir? If you look at the numbers, it is shocking. You have to hold them accountable. And they zaite ko they. Inge dadagiri dalya. Inge kon nodor mana. You have to give them time bound. Time bound. And the court ahle hote North Goa ahle 3 muin zori tor juiz na zala e sarkaran kiti announcement ko Speaker sir. En kit zata. Mak khabar na. Speaker sir, if you look, I believe there you need to also look. Basically with illegalities and irregularities in the Comdad. I think most of my colleagues have spoken about it. You need to do a survey. Do you have a thing about all the areas in the Comdad? What exactly is the encroachment? What is, because when you get high court orders, you all go to bulldoze it. But primarily, what is the exact status? Has a survey been done? Or what exactly, which Comdad, how much encroachment, what is done? I believe this is very essential. You need to have this as an index for future actions. Because labor and employment ache uloitna, aaj je major gap, the major gap, if I look on scanning of your answers, is the data of migrant workers. Major gap is the data of migrant workers and the mechanism to supervise your implementation of the labor laws. There is no supervision of this particular labor laws because je contractors pade hai, they are having a field day. Then zaite bashi labor use kota is because with absolutely minimum norms being followed currently. Healthcare, other issue is also about their healthcare. About the labor healthcare, Speaker sir, especially in the industrial areas. Speaker sir, this government has failed. Do you have any record? Although ESI is functioning, but do you have any record? This 100-bedded hospital was done during the Congress time. Is there any record that shows what are the cases? Is there any study done? Because this thing is neglected. Why? I will tell you. Speaker sir, Agadista, you also have failed to take guaranteed measures when it comes to in respect of employment of locals in the private sector. Honorable Minister, there are very, very urgent issues that need to be addressed, and there were several delegations that came and gave this to me. Contractual labor hai in the government departments. Odes 1000 sumar PWD na hai. 8 वर्सां 10 वर्सां hai. तुमचे बरे येताय आसतले, आमचे बरे येताय, सगळे आमदारा बरे येताय. एंका फिक्स हे कोतले. Have you taken any steps? Do you have a record of the total number of these people in the government and what the government intends to do. कित्याक स्पीकर सर हे जॉबा मेन मोठे कारण कितें आमी जेन्ना हे फेस्टिवल ऑफ जॉब्स मुखार आतां मुखेलमंत्री आनी एक हें काडला 2 लाख जॉब इन 5 years. इज दीस इवन पॉसिबल? 2 लाख जॉब दिवपाक शकता स्पीकर सर 5 वर्सांनी? हें कितें म्हाका दिका स्पीकर सर बॉलिंगात तें बरें घालूं जाय. आतां मुखेलमंत्री सर जोरकोट घाता सर जोरकोट म्हणजे आनी हें मेळना सर जोरकोटल्यान घाता बॉलिंग. हें म्हाका दिसता खूंय ना खूंय बंद जावपाक जाय. हें बंद जायना जाल्यार हे सगळे जे आमगेले यूथ आहाय ते म्हाका दिसता तांकां फुडार कितें हें चिंतपाक जाय. स्पीकर सर दी सेम पीपल are also in various departments, electricity department, several departments that are not, you need to come out with something on this. Because anta basic, as per your labor ministry, basic compliances, Goa State Labor Advisory Board is there. Now I believe currently this is consigned. What is the status of this board? What, you please tell me, is it functional? When was the last meeting held in this board? At the same time, because Interstate Migration Workers Board Moha. This board, I believe, is not done for the last 10 or 12 years. This particular board has not sat for last 10 years. So why is this happening, Speaker Sir? Speaker Sir, I want the status and by which date you would put this board into order. What is the meetings, agenda, whatever it is. These boards were formed so that issues of the laborers would be considered. मीटिंग हो जायना स्पीकर सर 10 वर्सां बी मीटिंग जायना जाल्यार खंयची बोर्डाचे मान कितें उरना स्पीकर सर. स्पीकर सर with regards to your this government has bought a pharma company under essential service. There was a bill and essential service under the Maintenance Act. So basically strikes are prohibited with regards to pharma companies. At the same time, I believe that these pharma companies should also be monitored for compliance of your labor law. This is not happening, Speaker Sir. Kidak, Speaker Sir, most of these companies look at profit. Everyone looks at profit, but this is their objective. These pharma companies are taking advantage and amke innocent goinkar je bhav hai, tode je hai at positions, they are transferring them. They are transferring them because they try to do some trade unions. Secondly, they are transferred where? To Jammu and Kashmir, to Sikkim, and the game plan of this is that they should resign. I think you should intervene. Duraline, ache je worker hai, they met me also. They basically they were terminated. What is this particular issue? 47 of them were retrenched. And they are still in a bad shape. You have to reply. Because you have basically the labor welfare schemes hai, somehow this government has
35
failed.
minutes. 35 minutes.
35
minutes, sir.
8:07 start zala Speaker Sir. I check kela time. Speaker Sir, je labor welfare schemes je pade hai, implementation has failed. Data on migrant laborers from the replies that we have, Speaker Sir, the data is not being given. Speaker Sir, healthcare facilities, I'm just summarizing, healthcare facilities need to be looked into. Speaker Sir, I had asked for one particular industry in Verna, when 4 people had died, I had asked the copies of licenses, permissions, approvals required to be taken by the contractor who had engaged these workers, and it was a horrific death where 4 people died. Anik Maka reply that is shocking. It is informed that this contractor, Kudroli Builders and Infrastructure Private Limited, is Ponda, has not obtained any license under Contract Labour Regulation Act 1970, 1979, registration under BOCW. Speaker Sir, reply ha, jo contractor labor had to register na. 4 log mele. Specifically, I had asked only of Verna. I will place this record that I have to you. It's a very serious matter. Absolutely serious. Because je illegal laborer rauta, especially I believe that you have to give necessary instructions. You have to issue these necessary instructions to everyone, all the industries. Because I believe je maga reply medai, it shows that your government or the department is not serious with this labor employment department. It is shocking to see the horrific accident at Verna. Ada Speaker sir, poir ani I congratulate kelo. हांव पयलीं congratulate कोता उक्ते मनान हांवें congratulate केलो आमदाराक. कुंकोळची गांवांत रेड पडली आनी तेगेलो लेबर जो आहा आमगेलो लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचे जे मनीस आहाय ते गेले रेड जाली थिंगा ऑलमोस्ट 2-3-4 हजार laborer were found. And you send them a notice. And now that is put under the pillow. I believe you have told the industries department as well. They are sleeping with it. Are tingas te zagyar. There is no law today. There is no law currently that prohibits that it is basically tinga yeta ye एक जाग्यार 8 जा 10 जा एक रूमा 3-4 हजार laborers because within the industrial. This is illegal. Will you, very specifically you tell me, you can tell me now, will you look into this? Is it legal or are you all promoting these illegal activities? Will you give me an assurance that you will send your labor commissioner there tomorrow itself? Send him there, check the actual reality. Is it permitted? Why these violations, violations are? This is a very serious matter, Speaker sir. I have always said, I have not entered there, but tomorrow law and order situation, it will become from bad to worse. Speaker sir, the departments they amka promise ko they are not acting. And this is a very serious matter. I require you to look into this, Speaker sir, very, very seriously. And that's Speaker sir, some of these industry, pharmacy companies, Indoco Remedies, Cipla, N-Cube, Ethicals, they had made some advertisements of jobs in Maharashtra. For jobs in Goa, advertisement was in Maharashtra. Now, whether did they notify the government or did they notify you? You please tell me about these vacancies. It was only when the press brought it up or elected representatives got it up that the Chief Minister intervened. I think Vijay had raised that. Chief Minister intervened. But do you all have controls? Because what action have you taken against these 3 companies for issuing this advertisement without notifying you? Is there any law? You please tell us. Speaker sir, je employment ache uloitna, this je Niti Aayog, CMI, planning and statistics ache je figure hai. Today Goa is second highest je in unemployment. 3.2% above the national average of 9.7%. Speaker sir, this is your planning and statistics department figure given by double engine Sarkar. I don't know. Speaker sir, Anda basically 2C, this was the question I asked you. And where you said, Speaker sir, how many people were unemployed? You replied that 1,16,379 unemployed are registered with the employment exchange. I want to know what is the current status of these unemployed youths who are registered with the employment exchange. No, LAQ 2C, I'll give it to you, you check. Speaker sir, job fair mu kelo, ani ek event kelo, 3 crore 10 lakh mule, amkai disle are baba job meta mu 21,000 log burge ile 21,800. And I think about 800 or 700 people or 500 people, they got jobs. 21,000 lokantulen, Speaker sir. And they temporary no. 80% reservation jobs munon JM bill ade. Today there is a need. 2 lakh jobs Jaipur ditai tourism sector. No. See, what the other government does not implicate here. We are Goans. We are not Kannadigas. I am talking in the interest of Goa. Let us not say what someone else has done. Speaker sir, Mugele Prashna, I want to resolve the issue with the Honorable Minister's assistance about the growing menace of the unemployment sector. What have we done to that? What is, Speaker sir, Anik, you say now about in the private sector that as per your reply, 40,160 vacancies were notified by the private sector. And look at this, from 2020 till 3rd July 2024, this is your latest reply. At ye 40,000 vacancies to private the Labour and Employment Ministry has. Speaker sir, only 749 are employed. as per data submitted by the employees through online mode. These are gaps. You need to fix it. Because Annexure 3 of the same LAQ 1C, because 33 placement drives were held. You held 33 placement drives from January 2020 till January 2024. Speaker sir, in the last 4 years, you are saying when this 33, only 231 candidates were given final order. This is as per your reply. And what is shocking is I had asked for the names. Your Annexure 3 says that in most of these 33 placement drives conducted, the details of the names of the candidates who are given final offer letter is not maintained. You are saying that, so, no, but you have to have that. You are saying 33 people are obtained. How are you relying on the company without having names? I said, give me the names. How do we double check? Company will say 100 are employed. How do we check that, Speaker sir? So this is a very serious thing and these are very serious gaps. Speaker sir, last stage about science and technology.
Begin झोपेत म्हणतो मी 45 minutes झाले
33 minutes झाले आता
33 45
33 last kabar ko tha. Speaker sir, the Ministry of Science and Technology is falling flat. Basically, the greatest challenge I believe that comes from the government itself, which provides blessing to those who hold the torch of faith. And that's because, sir, with regards to the failure of this government of scientific handling and management of disposal of garbage. आता स्क्रॅपयार्डाचे आमी उलयले पॉलिसी करची म्हणून तुवें सांगिलां जे LAQ 1B म्हाका 24th जुलाय आन्सर मेळ्ळें की 686 इलिगल स्क्रॅपयार्ड आहाय म्हणून in the year 24th July 2023. This is your answer. In 9th February 2024, you give me an answer that only 444 illegal scrapyards are there. First 686, then 444. Speaker sir, I believe that the remaining 242 scrapyards, whether you have identified or not identified, you please give us this answers. Because scrapyard policy is ouchi. Whether this scrapyard policy will come into existence when we are MLAs in this house, how long, time bound, I believe is very, very serious. Speaker sir, because GIDC kata, Goa Solid Waste Management Ager gata. Your replies, I will not read all of them, but reply says ki GIDC puts it on of reallocation to GWMC, and now the game is again in GIDC's hand to identify trade zones and to allot it to the scrap yards. Last stages, because sir, Velsa on the science park, I fail to understand if it was approved, if the panchayat tender was done, then the panchayat says they don't want it. Because I believe this is a very, very project is of prime importance and it has already been tendered, you look into it. And that's because sarke important munta hai ek udaharan. There was a delegation that came to me. We speak about waste management. Michael Lobo speaks about waste management. The way he has क्रोध जे भितर ते जहा तो दुखलो आहा कित्याक ते प्लांट पडगायल्ले ते तेजे तुमच्यान मेंटेन करूं जायना. आतां स्पीकर सर लास्ट मुद्दो 2-3 मिनटां घेता दोन म्हणल्यार तुवें सेकंडा वॉच आनी घायल थंय आतां सेकंड एड केलें. स्पीकर सर, this is with regards to the proposed 250 TPD integrated waste management plant at Verna. Now in this particular place, people have raised objection. There is an aquifer there which is connected to local wells and bore wells. And this basically supplies most of the water, because to Verna Industrial Estate. Inga so ida. And that's because this plant is supposed to be here on the plateau in Verna. And that's because this site is also a major catchment area. Major catchment area means 32 fresh water springs through 6 villages are situated at the base of this platform. Means 32 villages, it moves around. I'll give you the source. The source of this indigenous river starts from River Sal. Ani Udyar mudaite spring aha. It starts from there. Anik it is connected from there to the Zuari in the east. And that's because sir, this plant or plant padyopas hota is 350 meters from human habitation. लोक पट्टींग रावता 350 मिटरा मध्ये हा आता स्पीकर सर although on your project report it says that the distance is of 10.7 kilometers from Mahalasa temple. If you look at speaker sir northwest, if you look at it, it is the actual distance is less than 3 kilometers. Speaker sir, tinga ek kopel aha, Odeshi meter aha tinga, Odeshi modech. The frequency of trucks that is expected with the amount of garbage or whatever has to be done is almost, it will be 10 trucks every hour. That means every 6 minutes, 1 truck. Because the village panchayats of those particular areas have already set up, have set up this garbage unit, handling units, and deviate from setting up this mega project. I believe there will be an objection from the people. Basically, Speaker sir, Kabar Kotnao Sangpak Sotna, ki he's an efficient minister, but I believe since there is inefficiency on the part of several other ministries, and you have to face the music, but it is time that you pull up your socks, and I believe, Speaker sir, ki at the session tori he je issue amka sangle te tori tu सगळे गोंयच्या लोकां पासत हें कोण दिता देव बरें करूं.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.